Hey guys, today we are in our Module 10 through 20 book. We are identifying and graphing the relationships and patterns that we see. So yesterday we were looking at our tables, we were writing our ordered pairs, we were figuring out what those patterns were, what things we noticed, how we compared them. So today we're going to continue to do that, but then we're also going to put those ordered pairs on a grid. So make sure you are in your book, page 489, following along, writing along with me as we do this. Okay, so first one, in math class, Fernando learns that the rule add 1 to the side length of a triangle with equal side lengths results in the rule add 3 to the perimeter. So let's write the values generated by these rules in the table. So we're going to add 1 to the side length. Side length. He was at 0, 1. If the rule is add 1, I know to put 2, 3, 4. I'm adding 1. It says, with equal side lengths results in the rule add 3 to the perimeter. Here's the perimeter. They started at 0, added 3. So I know that means 3 more is 6, 3 more is 9, 3 more is 12. So I've got my table filled in with my rule followed. So let's use the values in the table to write ordered pairs. This is going to help us before we start to graph. So our ordered pairs, 0, 0. Remember, that's called the origin. Then I have, and I know that this, the side, remember this is my x like it says right here. So I know my side length is x, my perimeter is y because it's written on that table like that. Okay, so next I have 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, and 4, 12. So now we need to graph these ordered pairs. Let's be careful how we do that. So here's our first one, 0, 0. Origin, that means we go to the right 0, we go up 0. We are here. Next, 1, 3. Go to the right 1. See, I'm counting by 2's here, so I know this is 1. Go to the right 1, go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Make sure your dot is on the intersection of those lines. It's not in the middle. You stay on 1, you stay on 3. This is an exact location. That's why we put it right there. That's what a point is. It's an exact location. Next is 2, 6. Go to the right 2, go up 6. 3, 9. And 4, 12. Okay? Now, how does the perimeter relate to the side? How does the perimeter relate to the side? As you can see here, the perimeter is 3 times as much as the side. 3 times bigger than the side. Okay? So that's what we'll do. We make sure that we go right for X and up for Y. Remember, we go right up. Remember we say that? Our points are at the intersections of those lines, not in the middle. Unless we needed to do that, which we'll talk to later. But right here, they needed to be in the middle. Alright, let's turn the page. A science class uses salt and water to make a saltwater battery. The table shows the amount of salt needed for the amount of water used. Let me make sure I turned to the right page. Yes, I did. Okay. So we have our water, 0, 3, 6, 9, and our salt, 0, 4, 8, and 12. How does the amount of salt relate to the water? How does salt relate to the water? Salt to the water, salt to the water. Okay? So we know that the salt increases by 4 teaspoons and water 3 cups increases. Sorry about that. We got water in cups and salt in teaspoons. Use the values to write ordered pairs. Okay? So we've got our water and our salt. 0, 0, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 9, 12. Label the axes and graph the ordered pairs. My X was my water. And it's always good to write the measurement, water in cups. And salt, teaspoon, TSP is the abbreviation for teaspoon. Now graph the ordered pairs. 0, 0 at my origin. 3, 4. Okay, let's look at this now. This one's a little different. This graph counted by 4s. So this means this is 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, okay? So 3 has to be in between the 2 and the 4. So this is a case when you would not be at the intersection. 3, 4. So we're going to go up to the 4 though, but our 3 is represented by being in between the 2 and the 4. Then 6, 8. Here's my 6. Here's my 8. It's totally good to write that in. And then 9. So 8, this would be 10. So 9 is here. 9 and 12. If the class uses 15 cups of water, how much salt? Okay. Well, we just need to follow that pattern. As our water increased, we had water 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. It's asking about 15. And we've got 0, 4, 8, 12. Let's keep that pattern. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So I know that it's going to be 20 teaspoons because I followed my pattern. It asked about 15 cups, so I continued the pattern for both numbers to figure out how many cups. In 491, Fernando also learns in math class that the rule add 1 to the side length of a pentagon with equal side lengths results in the rule add 5 to the perimeter. Write 4 ordered pairs that relate the side length of a pentagon to the perimeter. So you're writing these. They're not telling you what to write. So let's start with 1 and 5 because we add 1, we add 5. So then our next one, let's add 1 to this. That'd be 2. Add 5 to this. That'd be 10. Add 1. Add 5. Add 1. Add 5. Add 1. Add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It said write 4 order pairs. We wrote 5. That's no problem. Okay, and let's do this one. Use this table. Hours worked and earning in dollars. So they're making $8 each hour. $8 each hour. Use the values in the table to write ordered pairs. We know how to do that. X, Y, 0, 0, 1, 8, 2, 16. Graph the ordered pairs and label the axes. So remember to label them first. This X is represented by hours worked, earnings, in dollars. And now graph them. I know 0, 0 is here. Let's look. 1, 8. Okay. These are counting by 2, so this has to be 1. 1, go up to 8. 2, go up to 16. Okay, so we did that. What would be the earnings for 4 hours of work? So 3 hours, if it's 18, or multiplying by 8 each time, that'd be 24. 4 would be 32. $32. All right, guys, so there's that lesson. Continue working and do your best.